Hello magical human, thank you for joining me today. If you're a subscriber, welcome back fellow unicorn, and if you are new, my name is Monique and I'm a transformation and lifestyle coach, full-time human being and part-time unicorn. So welcome to MJTV and please hit the subscribe button below. So procrastination, it sounds and feels like such a dirty word, and worse still, if you label yourself a procrastinator, you feel just as dirty as the word, right? I think it's more important though for us to understand why this happens, what this costs us, and how we can kick it in the butt. Firstly, I have to start with, there is nothing wrong with you. Every human experiences this habit. You are not a bad person, you are not lazy or undisciplined, and it has absolutely nothing to do with time management skills. Procrastination is an effect, not a cause. Your brain uses it as a form of self-defense for your emotions and stress relief for your brain. And there could be many reasons why this happens. You could be experiencing stress in your personal life, in your career, or in your business that you're trying to ignore and lock in Pandora's box. Or it could be a fear of failing or embarrassing yourself. You could be self-sabotaging. You may even get a kick out of taking last minute action. And I think I'm guilty of that one sometimes. It could be your environment. You know, that saying, like, if your desk's a mess, you will resist going anywhere near it. Or the common one that a lot of people do is that you don't make time and a plan. So then we're not sure what to do or when to do it. And think about it for a moment. If you've got any of the above going on in your subconscious mind and you set about starting a task, especially one that's going to take a lot of concentration, your brain is going to check out. Pew, bye-bye. You are going to gravitate towards anything but what you're supposed to do. You'll go and clean the house, you'll go and jump on Instagram, we'll go and watch some YouTube videos. I have even convinced myself that it will help me get motivated and give me a creative spark. But then you're trapped in this blank space of time, and all over a sudden you're being sucked through a time portal and boom, you're back to reality. Hours have flown by and you've accomplished the one thing that you didn't want to do, which was nothing. And now you feel genuinely sick, you feel guilty and even more anxious because now time is of the essence. So now it's time to beat the shit out of yourself. Personal torture is no joke. We start saying and telling ourselves some really horrible things. You're so lazy, what's wrong with you? It's such a waste of time. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. I've told everybody that I was going to do this. What's wrong with you? And then worse still, we spend ages in that space of negative talk, which leads us even more unmotivated and sad. So it's key to understand that you have a habit of avoiding stressful situations, which leads to procrastinating. How to break the habit. So next time you feel like you're in a situation where you're going to hesitate a bit, or you feel like you're spending too much time doing something that you're not supposed to do, or if you feel yourself heading towards the kitchen to grab the kitchen supplies, I want you to do the following. Acknowledge the stress or emotion. So wait, why am I choosing to distract myself with this when I really want to do X? What is happening? Interrupts the procrastination process. I want you to get up, go shake yourself off, make a cup of tea, and if you've got fur babies, go give one of them a cuddle. Just do it, because it's been proven time and time again that if we just make a start, there's an 80% chance that we'll keep going. And those are pretty big odds, right? Imagine if someone said to you, go and play the Friday Euro Millions. You'll have an 80% chance of winning if you play on that day. You'd be silly not to buy a ticket. So, what is the one thing you are committed to stop procrastinating on, and when will you start? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. Until next week, I bind you in white light to which no negative energy can enter. Bye bye for now.